Right here, I'm on my Google form, which I'm going to fill, and we will see the magic of this automation. So right here, I'm going to fill this form. So here I have filled this form providing the first name, last name, email and the phone number. Now let's submit this form, and here you can see that my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Zoho CRM account to see whether we are receiving this contact over there or not. So right here I'm on the contacts page of Zoho CRM, which I'm going to just refresh. And right here you can see that I'm successfully receiving this contact having the same name, email and the phone number which I have just filled over my Google form. So now you can see that I'm successfully receiving this lead which I have just received using Google form. So now you can see that I have created this automation by using Pabbly Connect. So you can also integrate your business applications by using Pabbly Connect, and you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating it. So now let me show you how I have created this automation. So now let's move on towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect with me. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can access by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you have to sign up for free, and if you sign up account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and accessing Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you have to sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it. Now let's move on towards our workflow page, where I'm going to select my trigger application. So right here I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my Google Forms. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Forms. So now let me search for it. And right here you can see that we are getting this application, so I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as new response received. Now let's build the connection, and here we are getting this webhook URL. So I'm going to add this webhook URL to my Google form so that I can build the connection. So for that, let's move on towards my Google form. So right here you can see that this is the form which I have created. Now you just have to move towards the responses, and right here we are getting this option for view in sheets, which you have to select, and you will be landed to the Google Sheet, which is the native integration of the Google form. And right here for adding the webhook URL, you just have to move towards the extension, select add-ons and select get add-ons, and you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you have to search for the app, that is Pabbly Connect Webhook. So now let me search for it, and right here we are getting this application which is already installed. So make sure to firstly install it. And afterwards again you have to go towards extensions, where you will see this option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks, where you have to select this initial setup, and you will be getting the initial setup dialog box. And right here I'm going to add the webhook URL which I have just received. And now for the trigger column, you have to enter the last data column of your Google Sheet. So right here the last data column of my Google Sheet is E, so here I'm going to enter it as E. Now we just have to submit it, and right here you can see that my setup has been configured successfully. And now we just have to send the test data to the Pabbly Connect. As you can see, it is waiting for the webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, we have to do the test submission. So for that you have to move towards the form, and right here I'm going to copy the link of the form, paste over the new tab, and right here we are getting this form which I'm going to fill. So right here I have filled this form providing the first name, last name, email and the phone number of the user. Now let's submit it, and right here my form has been successfully submitted. Now here on my Google Sheet you can see that we are having the test data. Now we just have to send this test data to the Pabbly Connect. So as I have clicked over this send test, data might be sent to the Pabbly Connect. So now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect and check for it. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see that we are successfully receiving this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which we have just filled over our Google form. So this shows that we have successfully captured the data. Now we just have to move towards the Google Sheet, and right here you have to go towards extensions, select Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and here you have to enable this send on event so that you don't have to send the test data again and again to the Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect can automatically fetch it. And right here we are having the test data, so I'm going to add add this contact to my Zoho CRM. So here I'm going to search for my action application, that is going to be the Zoho CRM, and right here you can see that we are getting this application which I have selected. Now let's select the app event as create contact and click over this connect button. And right here we are on the connection page, where if you want to build a new connection, then you have to select this button of add new connection. Now let's connect with Zoho CRM. And now here we are required to enter the domain. So for getting the domain, we are on my Zoho CRM account, where on the search bar you can see that we are getting this domain, that is zoho.in, which is required for building the connection. So here I'm going to enter this domain, that is zoho.in, and now let's save it. And here you can see that the connection has been built in, and here I'm going to just accept it. And here you can see that my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting is for selecting the lead source. So you can select the lead source created over your Zoho CRM account. And now we have to enter the first name, last name, and the rest of the details of the user. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this. But no, here I'm going to perform a method provided by Pabbly Connect, that is mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map my user's first name from the response which I'm receiving from my Google Forms, as this is my previous application. And the process is simple, you just have to select the field and this slash symbol. And right here we are getting a previous application. So from its response, I'm going to map the first name of the user. Now likewise, I'm going to map the last name of the user. So here I have mapped it. Now let's map the email address. So here I'm going to map it too. And now let's map the phone number over here. So here I have mapped the user's phone number too. And now we are getting all these fields which are not necessary. So now let's click over the save and send test request. And right here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a contact might be created. So now let's move on towards my Zoho CRM account and check for it. So right here I'm on the contacts page of Zoho CRM, which I have just refreshed. And here you can see that we are successfully receiving our new contact, which I have just received using my Google form. So now you can see that my Google form lead is automatically added to Zoho CRM. And this is happening because I have integrated both these applications by just using Pabbly Connect. So now you can also automate your business applications by using this amazing automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.